I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Android. Check system version and free space, then install an iPhone-style lock screen app or a widget engine plus an iOS widget pack. Once installed, open the app and immediately grant notifications and draw over apps. These let the custom lock mimic iPhone behavior. Make sure accessibility is enabled if the app asks. It's how custom shortcuts and quick actions run reliably. Now that permissions are set, proceed to set the new lock as the default lock interface. Next, customize the visual and functional elements to match an iPhone lock screen. You pick the iOS-style wallpaper and clock skin, set swipe directions, and enable the notification preview so messages appear similarly. Then configure quick actions, camera shortcut, flashlight, and a control center overlay if available. Make sure you enable a secure unlock method, PIN or biometric, and set the screen timeout to stay on as needed. These settings give the look and the practical behavior you want. Finally, test the whole flow. Lock the phone, wake the screen, and confirm notifications and shortcuts behave like an iPhone lock screen. If the app isn't persistent, set it as the default lock screen where possible or enable a persistent foreground notification so Android won't kill it. If things go wrong, recheck notifications, draw over apps, accessibility, and disable battery optimization for the app. This usually fixes interruptions. If not, restart the device and rerun the setup to ensure changes apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.